Hey friends, this is Angela, the Inquisitive Farmwife. If you're new to my channel, welcome! You never really know what kind of things we're going to be doing, and today's video is definitely different than the normal video. We are outside. Can you hear our steer over there saying hello to us? I have been taking advantage of days like today where it's nice outside, and the farmer and Buddy Luke have been busy helping too. So I wanted to show you, we're working on getting some new pasture ground built with some new fencing. So when Buddy Luke was able to come up a while back, he took some video of he and the farmer. The farmer was running the bobcat with a tree puller while Luke was busy with the chainsaw, and they were getting some trees cleared out so we can take back that pasture that was there years and years and years ago. So I'll insert that now. Need removed, but for now we have decided to stop the fence here. But we did get all this pasture here done. Ideally, I would love to have about 3 to 5 paddocks so that we can rotate the cattle and then afterwards maybe the goats and things like that. But this is going to be something that is very long term, and it's going to be slow, and that's okay because it's just a hobby homestead. It's not a huge operation, so we are just doing it ourselves, and we understand these things take time. So every once in a while you'll see us do little projects like this. So once the farmer and Buddy Luke got done, trimming trees and things, they went ahead and we took an attachment on the bobcat and they drilled holes and got everything ready. They went ahead and trimmed all the posts for all the quarters that we're going to be putting in. And then on another day, the farmer and I came, and I didn't even think to video, but we leveled up these posts and we put concrete in them. And then Buddy Luke came back and we went ahead and we've got the bracing in, and the concrete is currently curing, and we're hoping with some nicer weather we'll be able to start stringing the fence. We did get one of the actual corners finished, and I wanted to show you, along with the metal brace, we have wire that we're stringing in the opposite direction to hopefully make this a nice permanent structure for us, because we have learned with the goats and things, to do things a little bit differently. So we're going to try it like this time, and we'll just see how this all works out. It's a beautiful sunny day today. We are hoping maybe after we can get our errands run, that we can do the other 3 corners in this same exact way. So in between working on the fence, Buddy Luke did go ahead and stack up some hay for me, so it's easier for me to get it into the back of the buggy when I need to take it to the goats or wherever I'm taking it. And he even did some gardening for me. So we'll put that clip in here that he took while he worked on that while waiting for the farmer to, I don't even remember, repair something or whatever. So that boy knows how to work hard and keep himself busy. So we sure do appreciate him here on the farm. So here he is. Now you're probably wondering, did I let Buddy Luke try any freeze-dried candy? Well, of course I did. And I'll insert that here in just a moment. But I wanted to tell you all, thanks for tagging along today and just seeing what random things we're doing on the farm. And until next time, we'll see you later, friends. Now, you've never had peanut brittle before, right? Never. So you don't even know what it's like originally. Mm-mm. Well, with your braces, you can eat this probably. I'm gonna break his braces. Mmm. It's so good.
That is good. That is really good.
It is good. I like it.
Mm-hmm.